What Carries Us by Emily Jungmin Yoon. First, there was the horse. Imagine creatures as majestic, standing. All their lives they stand, withholding. Imagine being tamed, learning to be still, to be speed. Imagine birds as large as horses. We would be flying, grabbing a majestic creature by its collar. In cylinders of metal, we are four-legged beast lives of liminal spaces. One time I was so tired of flying, I wondered if I will spend all my life packing then unpacking. A complaint of privilege. We are such spending creatures. And when I say we are beasts, is that a metaphor? Metaphor, according to Papastergiadis, is also transportation between absence and presence, articulating action. Its very process, in times of extremity, is akin to prophecy. I like the idea of transportation as articulation, that the end of metaphor is a kind of arrival, like getting off the train at an unknown stop. So when I say we are beasts, perhaps what I mean to do is remember that predators have forward-facing eyes, and we do grab others by the collar, and we do fly in metal in preparation for the kill. What I want to do is slow down time. Imagine love as a horse. Think about us. A distance apart, only a flying thing could connect us, standing and pacing, tamed and watching, then finally with each other, laughing as if to collapse, unbridled as wild horses. In this era of brevity, in this era of metal, in this era of abbreviation, yes, I'm trying to make you think of me longer. Yes, this whole time, the bird, the train, the whole thing about metaphor, I said to say this, that this is what carries us, the slow consideration of what each other is, can be. And first, there was the horse.